Good morning, everyone. It's March 1st finally, and this is going to be an update to the FPC bolt video I did last night. So here's what happened. I did call Smith and Wesson this morning, their customer service area, and I asked them specifically, can I purchase the front piece of the bolt, because I'm getting heavy hammer marks on the bolt itself. And the guy told me that Smith and Wesson does not sell the bolts right now, but they are aware of this issue, I guess, because he said they have been replacing the firing pin mechanisms and all that stuff with the bolt. They have two options that I could have done. Send them the whole rifle, they'll fix it, send it back, but I already have my response to them, so I don't want to put two rifles out of commission. Or they can send me a bolt replacement kit that I change everything out and send them the old bolt back. So that's what I opted for, is I opted for the bolt replacement kit. So if you're having those issues, I would contact them, their phone number, and I'll put it in the description below once I get this all uploaded, is 1-800-331-0852. Then it's going to lead you to a bunch of prompts. So hit number 3. That'll take you right to customer service. Let them know, but here's a few things you need to know. Most important, they won't do anything unless you have your serial number in front of you, because that's how I've always dealt with them. They always wanted serial numbers, which I get it. That way you're not requesting, I guess, 6 bolts. But I gave him my serial number. He was very easy about it. Gave me my 2 options: send it back or get a bolt replacement kit, and I chose the bolt replacement kit. But he did say that once I get it and change it out, I send the old one back. So no big deal. They can have it to make sure they're doing whatever they're supposed to be doing right. But again, 1-800-331-0852. Wait for the prompts, hit number 3, you'll go straight to customer service. And he told me it'd be about a week and a half, and I should have it. So I'm gonna say about 2 weeks, I should have it. And then once I get it, I'll pull out both bolts, I'll see what the differences are, and we'll do a third update. You guys have a good day.